Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open up a blank Google Doc so that you can type your spelling words. So I'm already on the page with the directions. So after listening to the directions and listening to the spelling words and seeing that they're here for me to type, I'm ready to click on the link that says click here to type your words 3 times. So I'm going to click that link. And it's going to take me to Google Docs. So I'm going to start a new document by clicking on the plus sign where the word blank is. Okay, before I start typing my words 3 times each, I'm going to give it the title that was in the directions. So in the video, let me go back. In the video, it says to title the doc with your name and put 9.1 spelling. So I'm going to do that now. So right here where it says untitled document, I'm going to type my name in and put 9.1 spelling. Okay, so I've got my title. Now I'm ready to start typing the words 3 times each. The words are in 2 places on Schoology. So they're here in the video, and they're also here in the picture. The first word is idea, so I'm going to put a number 1 right here in the document and type the word idea 3 times. Notice that the first time I type the word, the I became capital. It's okay if it stays like that, but if you want to change it to a lowercase I, you can. That's just a default thing that happens when you're typing in a doc. So if you want to change it, you can, but you don't have to. Now I've typed my first word 3 times, so I'm ready to move on to the second word. So to do that and make sure that everything is formatted and easy to read, I'm going to press the Enter Return key. It automatically gives me a number 2, which is great. Now I'm ready to type the second word, and it was lion, I believe. All right, so that's my 3 times each for lion. To get to the next line, I'm going to press the return enter key again. It gives me the number 3, so I'm ready for the next word, which was usual. I'll type that 3 times, make sure it's correct. Usual, usual, usual. So when I'm ready to get to the 4th word, all I have to do is press the enter key. The number 4 is going to populate automatically, and then I'm ready to do word number 4 3 times each. So after I've done all 28 of my spelling words 3 times each, it's time to share the document, and you're going to share that document with me. So to share a document, you're going to go to the top right corner of the page. I'm circling the blue button share. You're going to click on that. Okay, and then this is going to pop up, this share with others bubble. So you're only sharing it with one person. You're sharing that with me. So when you go to share with me, all you have to do is type in my name. I usually tell people to type in ALR because that's the quickest way for it to populate. And then you just click on my name. I'm going to scroll, see if I can scroll this screen down a little bit so that you can see the send button. Now that my name has populated, you're ready to click send. And what happens is I get an email notification letting me know that you've just submitted the assignment to me. So I will check that assignment after I get the email notification, and then I will let you know that I have received it and that it looks good. So that's how you create a document, type your title, type your words into your document, and then share the document with me. All right, so I'm looking forward to seeing your 3 times each. This is going to prepare you for the spelling quiz on Wednesday.